The Wildlife and Fisheries Resources Program is the largest program in the Division of Forestry and Natural Resources at West Virginia University and has numerous job positions available in the future. Jobs for a Wildlife and Fisheries Resource graduate from the Division of Forestry and Natural Resources at West Virginia University include state and federal resource agencies, NGOs, academia, and private consultants. The Wildlife and Fisheries Resources Program emphasizes ecological and societal values and focuses on wildlife and fisheries resources, water quality, and land management. Holly Morris is a senior graduating in the Wildlife and Fisheries Resources Program.
I've always had an interest in wildlife and fisheries. Ever since I was a young child, I've been active in fishing and hunting. It's been my family lifestyle. So it was just natural for me to come to WVU for wildlife and fisheries. I really like how you can work outdoors. I'm not going to be the type of person who's going to be able to be kept inside all the time, and I want to make a difference in the recreational aspects of it here at West Virginia. As being a fisherman and hunter in the state, I've seen a lot of things that I thought could use improvement, and I'd like to learn more about it. My favorite aspect has probably been the field trips that we go on with classes and different labs and such. We get to go out to maybe different parts of the state you haven't been and see different things, and even you might have a handout for the class that says what you're going to do that day, but you still might run upon things that are pretty interesting. The other day we were out on a field trip and we found a duck nest with a hen mallard on it, so that was pretty cool. But there's always unexpected things on the field trips that you might not know about. This program has given me a lot of book knowledge, but not only that, hands-on experience, things that I can say I've actually done that for future jobs. I've got knowledge. Even if it's not something that's familiar to our area, we've most likely covered it. I would say what makes it stand out the most compared to others are the opportunities our students have. We can take internships that you can work here in Morgantown, or you can find one on the West Coast. And we've got advisors that will help you determine what you want to do and where you want to go. There's so many opportunities here, so many people you can meet. And it's a chance for you to get experience and knowledge for things that you don't even know about yet.
The Division of Forestry and Natural Resources at West Virginia University strives to spark passion in our students for the principles of stewardship and sustainability of our renewable natural resources. The Division of Forestry and Natural Resources offers students the education to assume leadership roles, advance research knowledge, and help provide technical information and professional services to society. The Division of Forestry and Natural Resources at West Virginia University is committed to providing students with quality educational experiences both in and out of the classroom. We recognize that students are our future supporters, colleagues, and citizens, reflecting our best efforts to the outside world. Our faculty conscientiously makes every effort to integrate teaching and research in the classroom, providing opportunities to develop skills in critical thinking, oral and written communication, creative problem solving, and the use of cutting-edge technology. For more information regarding the Division of Forestry and Natural Resources, visit us at forestry.caf.wvu.edu or visit us on Facebook at WVU Division of Forestry and Natural Resources.